Hi, I'm Luke.
And I'm Ryan.
You've heard a little about us, but let us talk you through some more of our story and who we are.
Growing up, we never would have described our father as abusive. He wasn't physically violent to us, our mother, or our sister. Yet he made all of our lives extremely difficult and almost unbearable at times by controlling every aspect of our lives. The reason we wouldn't have used the word abusive is because we'd misunderstood domestic abuse our entire lives, even though we were victims of it every day. We now know that our father's behaviour was characterised by the term coercive control. We'll explore coercive control throughout this tool.
Coercive control can have deadly consequences. In 2016, just 5 days after we'd all fled the family home to try and live a free and happy life away from him, our father murdered our mum Claire and our sister Charlotte. It was only after the murders of Mum and Charlotte that we began to learn about domestic abuse and to start to understand our experiences for the first time. We've since been on a journey of discovery and change, and we're always seeking opportunities to put in place what was missing during our lives to help other women and children who may be experiencing coercive control. This tool does just that.
Domestic abuse can manifest very differently across diverse circumstances. We hope that this tool will help all victims to make sense of their experiences by highlighting the importance of intersectionality. Coercive control is often tailored to the victim by the perpetrator, specifically exploiting their circumstances and vulnerabilities. Therefore, it's important to unpick the meaning behind what is going on, rather than just explaining it away by cultural or socio-economic factors, which is often the case.
Crucially, we've both been able to move forward with our lives after experiencing more than 2 decades of abuse from our father. We've been able to reflect on who we are, who we want to be, and how we can become the best versions of ourselves. We understand that we moulded ourselves and adopted certain traits to become safe in the abusive environment that our father had created. The people that we had to become in order to be safe at home do not have to be the people we carry with us for the rest of our lives. Therefore, we've both undergone drastic personal change over the past few years. We've discarded parts of ourselves which are no longer helpful and nurtured other parts of ourselves that we want to embody. This tool will hopefully be a stepping stone to a greater understanding of your situation and also a stepping stone to help you grow and thrive too.